Shri Gurubhyo Namaha. Welcome to our online teaching academy, Ekalaiva. Hello children, today we are going to learn about the little ones like all of you. Children, we all live in our home with our father and mother, right? The same way, animals also live with their father and mother. And they also call their mama and papa in their own way. So, let us learn about the sounds of the animals and their young ones. See children, who is this? Yes, this is a dog. And who is this? This is a baby dog. See, the baby dog is called as a puppy. The baby dog is called as a puppy. And the dog says, "Oof, oof." A dog has a puppy. What does it say? Oof, 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 all through the day. Who's this? This is a cat. And who is this? This is a baby cat. The baby cat is called as a kitten. And the cat says, meow, meow. The cat has a kitten. What does it say? Meow, 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 all through the day. See children, what is this? This is a cow. And what is this? This is a baby cow. A baby cow is called as a calf. And the cow says, moo, moo. A cow has a calf. And what does it say? Moo, 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 all through the day. Who is this children? This is a sheep. And who is this? This is a baby sheep. A baby sheep is called as a lamb. A baby sheep is called as a lamb. And a sheep says, ba, ba. A sheep has a lamb. What does it say? Ba, 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 all through the day. See children, who is this? This is a goat. And this is a baby goat. A baby goat is called as a kid. A baby goat is called as a kid. And a goat says, ba, ba. A goat has a kid. What does it say? Ba, 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 all through the day. See, what is this children? This is a duck. And this is a baby duck. A baby duck is called as duckling. A baby duck is called as duckling. And a duck says, quack, quack. A duck has a duckling. What does it say? Quack, 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 all through the day. See children, who is this? This is a horse. And who is this? This is a baby horse. A baby horse is called as a foal. A baby horse is called as a foal. And the horse says, neigh, neigh. A horse has a foal. What does it say? Neigh, 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 all through the day. See children, who is this? This is a hen. And who is this? This is a baby hen. And a baby hen is called as a chick. A baby hen is called as a chick. And a hen says cluck cluck. A hen says cluck cluck. A hen has a chick. What does it say? Cluck 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 all through the day. Hope you have understand the young ones and their sounds. To receive our online lessons, please press the subscribe button and you will receive the latest updates. Kids, I will meet you in the next session. Until then, it's bye from me. Thank you.